picking up another car. I said, what are you wearing over there? Look at that.
What is it? Guy in the mail?
I don't know.
What is sick? It's too bright, I can't even read.
Me and Coda were just talking about how many GTRs we've brought in the past year. I'd say like a year, yeah? 7 GTRs. I don't know anyone else who's brought in 7 GTRs. And where's all our money? I don't know, you guys let me know.
Only the competitors.
Competitors?
Competitor is...
I'm gonna bleep their name out right there. But it is a beautiful day.
No, only competitor is me and you.
Yeah, you're my competitor, dude. And why am I helping you? You let us know. Is this getting old? Because this is getting pretty old, Coda.
This is how we do.
I think people are getting tired of us just buying cars. They're cool cars, at least. At least they're not a bunch of like, I don't know what's not. I don't want to be a judge of what's a cool car and what's not.
That's all you guys want us to do, right? Spend money.
They just want car content, so we're gonna give you all the car content. We are pulling up right now to the ports. Hi! We've been sitting here. Getting bored, Coda. Let's play a game. Who can walk across these rocks faster? I think I won.
Use one leg.
Let's go. Oh. The only reason I'm here is to carry these stupid ramps. That's all Coda needs me for.
No.
Not even lying. He's like, hey man, I can go pick up my car, but I can't carry the ramps. Can you come? Literally, the only reason. GTR is pretty clean. Ah, it's quiet too. Goodbye, dude. The one that will be bringing the Hachi and S14 in. Pasha or Pasha? I think it's Pasha. Cool butt. She's loaded up. Tires nice and new. These look great, Coda. What are you up to?
Mama! I made a deal with my husband.
Oh gosh. She says that she wants her Blitz back, but I told her she can borrow them if she takes them off my car and puts them on her car all by herself. And I don't think you understand the process of this because, don't mind the 180, I'm doing something. There's a Supra, you can't even work on it in there. So you're gonna have to pull this out, pull that out, figure out what wheels you're gonna put on that car, because you can't put the 17s on there.
Okay. Okay, I don't really know 17s and 18s or what fits what. So big.
Well, let's just say 17s, if you put 17s on this, the car is not gonna move. It's literally on the ground already. You can't even pull it out of the garage without scraping the side skirts. So, but good luck. It's kind of crammed in here. All right, let's start. Oh, that's gonna take Leah a while.
What's she doing?
She's just moving cars still. In the meantime, let's get this thing off the trailer. Do a little GTR photo shoot. What do you think, Coda? We'll do a little for sale ad. We'll get this thing off. I gotta wash my GTR and then yeah, we'll go from there. Wasn't that bad, was it? Alright, you can go ahead and drop the car. Those fit. I'm gonna make this quick. So, that looks really cool. But it's poking too much. Had a spacer on there, but it was too big. I don't know, long story short, we need to find different spacers to put these Blitz back on. I don't know, they might be on the red car, I'm assuming, because I got a bunch of spacers stacked up on there. We park these guys back where they should be. Might as well get these GTRs cleaned up.